Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in Notion. Open the desktop app or Notion. So in your browser and sign in. Once in, click Settings and Members from the left sidebar so you access account-level controls. You do this because spell check controls live in regional and editor preferences. Changing them globally prevents repeated toggles per page. Make sure to pause if settings takes a moment to load. Then find Language and Region or Editor Settings. This is the first actionable step to disable spell checking across your workspace. Now you focus on the editor options. Scroll to Language and Region or Editor and locate the Automatically Check Spelling or Spell Check toggle. Notion often lists it with other typing aids. Turn that toggle off. Notion applies this immediately, so you don't need to press Save. If you use multiple accounts or a workspace, make sure you inspect both workspace and personal sections, because disabling only one might leave spell check active in another context. This step removes inline red underlines. Finish by verifying the change. Open any page and type a deliberately misspelled word to confirm red underlines are gone. If you still see spell check, restart Notion. Sometimes cache settings require an app restart to apply. If that fails, clear Notion's cache or check browser extensions and your operating system's spell check, because browser or OS-level spelling can override Notion. One key troubleshooting tip: disable conflicting browser extensions, then recheck Notion. This resolves most persistent spell check issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.